The automotive industry is facing one of the greatest transformations in its history, and Tesla intends to lead this change with the technology that challenges everything we know about car manufacturing. For decades, the vehicle production process followed virtually the same logic. Thousands of metal parts were stamped, welded, and assembled to form the complete structure of a car. This method dominated the sector for over a century and was continuously improved by traditional manufacturers. However, Tesla believes the time has come to abandon this model and replace it with a much simpler, faster, and more efficient system. To this end, the company has developed a technology capable of eliminating hundreds of structural components at once. The result promises to reduce costs, accelerate manufacturing, and raise the quality level of vehicles. This revolution could completely redefine the global automotive industry. At the heart of this transformation is the fourth-generation Gigapress, a gigantic machine that represents an unprecedented leap in manufacturing engineering. While most automakers continue to use assembly lines composed of thousands of robots responsible for welding small parts, Tesla is betting on enormous cast aluminum components. Instead of building a car body piece by piece, the company aims to create entire structures in just a few seconds. This change drastically reduces the number of operations required to manufacture a vehicle. Furthermore, it eliminates numerous welding points, reducing structural defects and increasing the precision of the final product. It's a change that not only accelerates production, but also redefines the concept of automotive assembly. The first Gigapress machines used by Tesla impressed experts worldwide. Equipment capable of exerting approximately 6,000 tons of pressure allowed for the production of large car body parts in a single piece, reducing hundreds of individual components. This innovation quickly caught the attention of the competition, leading several manufacturers to invest in similar technologies. However, while other companies are still trying to master this first generation of the process, Tesla has decided to advance to a much more ambitious level. The company is developing a machine capable of exerting about 50,000 tons of pressure, enormously multiplying its production capacity. This is such a significant advance that many experts compare it to the introduction of the assembly line created by Henry Ford at the beginning of the last century. The new Gigapress represents more than just an increase in size or power. It was designed to completely change the logic of industrial production. Instead of manufacturing a single component per cycle, the machine will be able to produce enough structures for up to 5 vehicles almost simultaneously. Each casting cycle should last approximately 5 seconds, something considered virtually impossible within the traditional standards of the automotive industry. In just a few minutes, hundreds of structural components can be produced automatically, drastically reducing the time needed to supply an entire assembly line. This impressive speed creates a new benchmark for efficiency in the sector and could influence factories around the world. This entire process begins with carefully prepared aluminum heated to extremely high temperatures. The metal is heated until it reaches the ideal liquid state to be injected under very high pressure into gigantic molds. Every detail of the process is controlled with absolute precision to avoid bubbles, imperfections, or variations in the material's structure. Inert gases help preserve the quality of the molten aluminum, while sensors constantly monitor the temperature, pressure, and flow of the metal. This combination of advanced engineering ensures that each component produced has virtually identical characteristics to the previous one. The goal is to achieve an extremely high-quality standard, reducing waste and eliminating rework. After the aluminum is injected, a sophisticated high-speed cooling system kicks in. The mold is designed to dissipate heat quickly, allowing the part to solidify in seconds without compromising its structural strength. As soon as the component is removed, specialized robots immediately begin preparing for the next production cycle. They thoroughly clean the mold's inner surface, apply special lubricants, and automatically check that all conditions are suitable for a new casting. This entire process happens virtually without human intervention. While one part leaves the machine, another is already being produced, creating an extremely efficient, continuous flow. Another impressive aspect of the new Gigapress is the intelligent quality inspection system integrated directly into the production line. Instead of taking samples for later testing, each component can be automatically analyzed by high-precision X-ray equipment. These inspections instantly identify small internal imperfections that would be invisible to the naked eye. If any irregularity is detected, the system can correct process parameters in real time before the next part is manufactured. This level of automation significantly reduces defects, material waste, and operating costs. Artificial intelligence plays an essential role in this process, continuously learning from the collected data. This integration of robotics, advanced sensors, and artificial intelligence brings automobile manufacturing closer to the modern electronics industry. Companies responsible for producing smartphones and computers have been using highly automated processes for many years. Now Tesla intends to apply a similar philosophy to the automotive sector, replacing complex processes with highly integrated steps. Instead of thousands of small independent operations, manufacturing will occur in large, perfectly synchronized modules. This reduces production bottlenecks, simplifies internal factory logistics, and considerably increases operational efficiency. It's a completely different vision from what has dominated the industry since the last century. One of the biggest advantages of this new approach is the significant reduction in the number of parts used in vehicle structures. In many traditional models, hundreds of metal components need to be joined by thousands of welding points before forming the final body. With Gigapress technology, much of this complexity disappears. Entire structures are produced as single components, significantly reducing the number of mechanical connections. This increases structural rigidity, improves the vehicle's dynamic behavior, and reduces the possibility of failures over time. Furthermore, fewer parts mean fewer suppliers, less inventory, and much simpler production processes. All this revolution in manufacturing paves the way for a vehicle specifically designed to take advantage of these benefits, the Cybercab. Unlike conventional automobiles, it wasn't conceived as a car adapted to receive autonomous systems in the future. From the very first design, the entire project was conceived exclusively to operate without a driver. This philosophy allowed the elimination of components considered indispensable for over 100 years, such as the steering wheel, pedals, and various manual control mechanisms. With this, Tesla managed to create a lighter, more efficient, and much simpler vehicle to manufacture. The Cybercab represents not just a new automobile, but the beginning of a completely different generation of intelligent transportation. The absence of a steering wheel and pedals in the Cybercab represents much more than an aesthetic change. This decision is part of a carefully planned strategy to create a vehicle fully focused on autonomous driving. By eliminating traditional controls, Tesla significantly reduces the number of mechanical components, wiring harnesses, and hydraulic systems typically found in a conventional car. This simplification lowers the vehicle's overall weight and reduces maintenance needs throughout its lifespan. Furthermore, it frees up interior space to offer a more comfortable cabin for passengers. Every detail has been considered to make the robo-taxi an efficient urban transportation platform. It's a completely different concept from that used in current cars. The result is a vehicle designed exclusively for the mobility of the future. This reduction in components allowed engineers to shave hundreds of kilograms off the Cybercab's final weight. It is estimated that eliminating the steering system, pedals, steering column, and various auxiliary mechanisms represents a saving of approximately 700 pounds. A lighter vehicle requires less energy to accelerate, maintain speed, and navigate urban traffic. Consequently, it becomes possible to use a smaller battery without compromising the desired range. This choice directly reduces production costs, as the battery remains one of the most expensive components of any electric vehicle. Furthermore, Less weight means less wear and tear on tires, brakes, and suspension. This combination contributes to more economical and sustainable operation over time. Every kilogram eliminated generates benefits in various areas of the project. While many manufacturers are betting on ever larger batteries to increase range, Tesla decided to follow a different strategy with the Cybercab. Instead of installing a huge battery pack, the company focused its efforts on reducing the vehicle's energy consumption. Thanks to its reduced weight, excellent aerodynamics, and optimized powertrain, a battery of approximately 48 kilowatt-hours is sufficient to meet the project's needs. This represents significant savings in both manufacturing and daily use of the vehicle. Smaller batteries require fewer raw materials, reduce environmental impacts, and speed up production time. This approach demonstrates that efficiency doesn't always depend on increasing energy capacity. Often, the secret lies in making better use of each available kilowatt. Another important highlight of the Cybercab is its impressive energy efficiency rating. According to estimates, the vehicle can travel approximately 6.1 miles for every kilowatt-hour consumed. This performance surpasses most electric vehicles currently available on the market. For a fleet of robo-taxis operating practically all day, this difference represents enormous operational savings. Lower consumption means less time connected to chargers and greater availability to transport passengers. This increases the profitability of each unit in the fleet and reduces the cost per kilometer traveled. In an autonomous mobility service, every minute saved has a huge financial impact. It is precisely this efficiency that can make the Cybercab highly competitive. The Cybercab's motorization was also carefully sized for its purpose. Instead of seeking extreme acceleration or high speeds, as is the case with other Tesla models, the design prioritizes a balance between performance and energy efficiency. The vehicle uses an electric motor with approximately 219 horsepower installed at the front. This configuration offers sufficient performance to handle urban traffic safely and agilely. At the same time, it reduces manufacturing costs and simplifies several mechanical systems. As the main focus is to transport passengers efficiently, there is no need for excessive power. This philosophy reinforces the idea that each component was developed to fulfill its function exactly. Nothing was added solely for marketing purposes. Another aspect that differentiates the Cybercab is its estimated range of approximately 300 miles per full charge. This distance is more than enough to meet most urban operations carried out daily by transportation services. Instead of seeking extremely high ranges which would require much larger batteries, Tesla prioritized a smart balance between range, cost, and efficiency. During periods of lower demand, vehicles can be quickly recharged before returning to the streets. This strategy reduces investments in gigantic batteries and allows a greater number of vehicles to be produced using the same amount of raw materials. In this way, the company expands its capacity for growth without compromising the sustainability of the project. The concept favors both economy and scalability. Beyond mechanical efficiency, Tesla has also developed innovative solutions for the continuous operation of a fully autonomous fleet. Since there will be no driver responsible for cleaning between rides, it became necessary to completely automate this process. To achieve this, robotic systems capable of cleaning the vehicle's interior in just a few minutes were created. Mechanical arms remove debris left by passengers, vacuum the floor, clean surfaces, and organize the interior automatically. The goal is to minimize downtime between consecutive trips. The faster a vehicle returns to service, the greater its daily productivity. This automation represents a fundamental piece within the company's business model. Exterior cleaning is also part of this highly automated system. After a certain number of trips, the Cybercab can pass through special stations where robots perform a complete body wash without the need for human intervention. Sensors identify areas that require more attention, while intelligent equipment controls the consumption of water and cleaning products. The entire procedure was developed to be extremely fast and efficient. In this way, the fleet maintains an impeccable appearance even while operating practically 24 hours a day. This improves the passenger experience and preserves the image of the service offered. In a highly competitive market, small details can make a big difference in customer perception. Automation ensures standardization at all stages. Another innovative feature incorporated into the project is the ultraviolet light disinfection system. After each series of rides, equipment installed at maintenance stations can quickly sterilize the vehicle's interior. Ultraviolet radiation helps eliminate microorganisms present on seats, dashboards, and other surfaces frequently touched by passengers. This process increases hygiene levels without the need for lengthy manual cleaning periods. In a fleet of thousands of vehicles, this technology reduces operating costs and increases user confidence. Concern for passenger health and comfort has become an important element in modern mobility services. Tesla aims to transform this care into yet another competitive advantage. One of the most surprising changes in cybercab manufacturing involves eliminating the traditional automotive painting process. Instead of sending each car to enormous paint shops where multiple layers of paint are applied and slowly dried, Tesla intends to incorporate the pigments directly into the material during the molding process. This means that many parts will leave the factory already in their final color. This innovation significantly reduces energy consumption, eliminates several production steps, and decreases the emission of chemical compounds normally associated with conventional painting. Furthermore, it reduces production costs and further accelerates large-scale manufacturing. This is yet another demonstration of how the company seeks to simplify every detail of production. The ultimate goal is to build vehicles faster, with less environmental impact and greater industrial efficiency. Eliminating the traditional paint stage represents a profound change in one of the most expensive processes in the automotive industry. In a conventional factory, paint shops occupy gigantic areas, consume enormous amounts of energy, and require rigorous filtration systems to control chemical emissions. Furthermore, applying multiple layers of paint increases the time needed to complete the manufacture of each vehicle. By incorporating coloring directly during the molding of certain components, Tesla significantly reduces this complexity. The result is a cleaner, faster, and more economical production line. This innovation also contributes to reducing material waste and the consumption of natural resources. It is a solution aligned with the company's sustainability goals.